This is Kirti. My name is Kirti and I belong from Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I'm living in Delhi for my study purpose and I've completed my graduation last month only. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I have different kind of like I have hobby with different genres. Like I love to travel, I love to sing, I love to read. Depends on my mood.
You
And
love to think.
yeah, it's all depends on my mood.
Hi.
What?
Sorry, you love to think.
No, I love to sing.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
I love to sing song and I love to
Sing.
travel around
Okay,
the world.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay, so I think you are versatile. You have a lot on your plate, and I really
yeah.
appreciate that. But here,
Yeah,
on the contrary, please continue, please.
actually, I feel that I have to enjoy all the things. There is a lot of things around us, and we should enjoy, not stay in a one thing or keep ourselves in a one corner. That's why I have
Yeah.
a lot of things, my hobbies
Yes,
I've
yes.
included.
Actually, this is the one and only life we have got, and it's not. We can't say that we will get another life, right? It's not. So yeah, we have to enjoy each and everything. If there is any possibility, we have to find out the possibilities, right? Yeah. But on the
Like we
contrary, I
should
don't have
enjoy in each
even.
and everything.
Sorry.
I'm saying that we should enjoy in each and everything, whatever we are doing. Like we are
Yeah,
doing conversation, we
definitely.
should enjoy that or
Yes, yes,
anything, like cooking or anything.
yes, yes, yes. Absolutely, I'm on board with that. And here, do you want me to introduce myself as well?
Yeah, please go ahead. I want to know about you.
Okay, so my name is Nimisha Deepu. I'm from Kerala, but currently speaking to you from Bihar because it's been 5 years I have been living here because I'm working here as a teacher, and I don't have much hobbies like you. I do have one and only hobby, that is learning English, and I started my this journey few months ago, and I'm MA BEd. I work here as a social studies teacher, and yeah, that's it. That's all about me.
Very interesting. You have eager to know like learning about English,
Yeah,
and this is your hobby basically. So yeah, I
definitely.
love the way you speak and the way you are expressing your thoughts while you have changed. Came across different cultures. Still, you are enjoying this. You came from South Bihar, North Indian state, and you are learning different language, which is completely different from both the areas. Like it is not their native language. Yeah, I really appreciate you are doing a good job. Yeah,
Thank you. Thank
and
you.
my pleasure. My pleasure. Okay, I have one question for you.
Sure.
The very first question is that
Could you please
you
keep your
think.
mic close to your mouth, please?
Okay, tell me now. Is this fine?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay,
Sometimes I'm
so the
not able to understand clearly what you are saying because this is a problem with the mic, actually, I think. So please keep it, I mean, closest to you.
okay, please let me know whenever you are facing any kind of
Yeah,
problem by
sure.
hearing.
Sure, sure.
Okay, yeah, I was asking that from Kerala to Bihar, the journey. What are the difficulties you faced through this journey while switching from one very different place, different corner, and going to another corner. You
Mm-hmm.
look like basically you came here like in Bihar for your job, for your bread and butter, but you must have gone through different difficulties, whether it is a language, culture, or changing weather, or so many things. There are so many factors. So, what are the things you have faced so that those who are watching they can get something, get some learning, like if they would get any opportunity in another place, so what are the things they should avoid or they should learn from it?
Hmm. Definitely. Always wanted to visit North India or to stay in North India because actually I don't know what's the reason. I'm a fan of Hindi language, and I always wanted to live in North India. Maybe because of the trends, and I was thinking that North India is a hub of fashion, just like that. I don't know. I think that it's not 100% sure. Even here we can see rural and city areas, right? So but in during my teenage time I was just thinking like that. So I always wanted to live in Delhi or Mumbai. Those are metropolitan cities. So, but on the contrary, after my marriage, I came here in Bihar because my husband has been working here for more than 10 years. So I joined him here. And but still, we are human beings, and we have an ability to get familiar or to use with any surroundings we have, right? So especially in my case, I there is no some chances to get complaints, and whatever the situation is, I totally merge with that. So it's okay. But the one and only thing that I have to I mean mention here is that the climate, especially in winter. For when I came here for the first time, it was totally new for me. And in Kerala, especially in my district, there is no such kind of climate even in December. So it was a big threat for me and challenge for me. But after each and every time, or with the time, I merged with it, and now it's okay for me. And the threat, I don't have that I had to go through any threat or challenge other than climate, because here the my living condition is okay, and my husband is super supportive. Whatever the requirement or whatever I need, he supports me and he fulfills that. So in that sense, I just feel that I live in my own home, my maternal home. So I don't have any actually, he cares me more than my mother. Actually, there is we I should not say that, but that's the truth. So I'm happy here and I totally enjoy here. And when it comes to language, even my I mean, before my marriage, I was fluent in Hindi, because I already told you that I was a fan of Hindi. Even now I'm a fan of Hindi. It's my our national language. So I'm a fan of Hindi language. That's how I learned Hindi even before my marriage, by watching different kinds of Hindi serials, contents, whatever it is. I was a fan of Hindi language, so that's how I learned it. So, so after my marriage, it was a bit easy for me to interact with the people, those who live here. So, yeah, that's it.
Okay, well, good to hear that you enjoy Hindi language and your husband is super supportive.
Yeah,
And you have shared that you haven't faced any major challenge or threat rather than the environment only, right?
yeah, 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 definitely.
Okay, the environment is your biggest threat. Except that there is no challenge. So I really,
Hmm.
enjoy, not enjoy, but I really feel good that coming to North Indian state, you haven't faced any challenges or problems. So
No.
it is very
Uh,
happy. It is very good for me as a North Indian that any person who is coming to my native area, and the person, like, not my native area, but in a northern area, the the person is not facing any challenges related to racism or anything. So that is very I feel proud of my place.
Yes, definitely. Especially it's Bihar, right? And during that time, I mean, before my marriage, all my colleagues and my friends were saying that it's Bihar. How could you live there if you go there? And they were just saying something like that, because we have, I mean, we already learned that, I mean, during our schooling times, Bihar is underdeveloped state, and there is no
Right.
there is no some basic requirements. So how could you live there? So everybody were saying like that. But after I came here, I got to know that Bihar is actually fast growing state. It is a fast growing state, and each and every day, especially after the corona, Bihar is totally changed. It's a fast growing state actually. So we should not underestimate any state or whatever it is,
Yeah.
even a person, by its look. Or I mean, the in South India there are huge
Yeah.
laborers who are coming there for in search of job, right?
Yeah.
So
In search of employment, right?
considering them, we should not underestimate any of the state actually. Nobody, we don't have that kind of rights, right? So
Yeah.
if we have to judge anything, we have to go there, or we have to know them, right? Whether it is a person or state,
Right.
whatever it is, actually the thing is totally different. Bihar is a fast growing state. That's what my opinion.
Now, I totally agree that we should not judge any by with a cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. Here, this statement fits completely. Like by seeing the face, the color, or anything, you should not judge anybody. You don't know the capabilities the person is holding inside, or
Yes.
the talents, knowledge,
Yeah.
everything. Okay. Okay. Do you want to know something about me or any question again, like you wanna ask me?
Actually, I know about you, and you are a student, right? You are a student,
Yeah, I'm a
and
student.
since we have decided our topic like work pressure, right? How to manage
Yeah,
work pressure in this present world, I have prepared some questions here. Are you okay with that?
yeah, I'm okay with that.
Okay, so my first question: who supports you the most during stressful periods, and why? Sorry, how?
Okay. Uh, okay. If I share about my personal opinion about this, so during that time, the first is my personal support is very important because if I am
Mm.
not, confident enough by myself from inside, like then nobody will handle, and nobody will help me around there in the world. Like first of all, I need to be fully support. I have to give support or strength to myself that I can do or I can handle any pressure. Then there is a family member, there's your friend, there is a book are the good supports, I would say. If nobody can help you, then books can help you. And if you are a spiritual person, you can go for the fourth thing, like go for spend time or make your mind strong by doing some meditation. It will help you to handle the workload pressure because what happened, I studied in my chapters that while having stress or during stress, you should go to the psychiatrist. It is okay, but you before that you have to take first aid. Like in order to get overcome from this, you have to go for meditation, yoga, chanting, or whatever suitable for you according to your preferences or your choices. So first of all, you should be self-dependent or you should be self-confident that you can do. I don't feel that you should rely on anyone else. Whether
Hmm.
you have family, they will definitely support you. uh, like your mom, your father, anybody, you can go and ask him, they will definitely support you. Go for help if they really need that. But first is you yourself help you, or you only the person who can help yourself. I feel like that
Okay.
yourself is a confident, then you don't need any help. But yeah, you if you're not able capable of handling that situation by yourself, then you should go for your family first because they are the first who will help you rather than anyone else. Then your friend is there, your book is there, like there are self-help books. And you can go for mentoring sessions, like there is so counseling sessions going on, paid or online, offline, paid or free, of course. There are so many people who can help you. Even on YouTube there are so many, like we can share our problems. Like if I have any question related to my job or anything or any doubt, we can ask each other. So we are the helping hands, I would say.
Okay, well explained. Yeah, it's very important that we should have our personal support at first, right? So
Yeah, of course.
whatever the job we have to complete, then at first we have to support personally, right? So it's very
Yeah.
important, and I mean more than that, we have to take some external help from either from our family sides or friends. So it's also important. I think in my case, I always ask or seek for my husband's help because I'm always hanging hanging on him, and I need his support for each and everything. But
Ah,
it doesn't mean that I'm not okay or I'm not capable to do anything, whatever the job that I have to fulfill. It doesn't mean that, but still I need his opinion, I need his support, because that gives me a push. So that's what here.
actually, I'm not opposed of seeking for help. I'm saying that if you really need, you can go for help, but first try by yourself. At least give a try. If it is not possible, then go. Like it is a saying in Hindi, saying that there is a saying in northern side, like जब तक आप खुद से नहीं हारोगे, आपको कोई नहीं हरा सकता.
Yes, yes, definitely. Well
मन
said.
की हार. So that's what comes in my mind every time. Like first you should battle, you should fight the battle, and then only जब तक आप खुद से आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे, nobody will come to help you.
Yeah,
You should
definitely,
take first
definitely,
step.
definitely. Whoever